Hey guys, are you want to buy best car rearview mirror dash cameras? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car rearview mirror dash cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jones dash camera for cars. The Jones V630 is an impressive 3-channel 4K UHD dash cam that offers full 360 degrees protection, making it especially ideal for rideshare drivers like Uber or Lyft. With ultra-clear 4K front recording and dual 1080p interior and rear views, it captures every angle with excellent precision. Its Superstar Vis 2 HDR night vision sensor paired with an f1.8 aperture delivers outstanding clarity at night, ensuring license plates and road details remain visible even in very low light. Built-in GPS tracking records essential driving data such as speed, direction, and location, all easily accessible through the Jones app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The included 64GB SD card supports loop recording, while the G sensor automatically secures important footage during sudden incidents. For round-the-clock protection, the V630 supports 24-hour time-lapse parking monitoring when connected to a hardwire kit. With a full accessory package, 1-year warranty, and reliable customer support, this dashcam offers strong performance, convenience, and peace of mind. Now our second product is Botslab 4K dashcam front and rear. The Botslab G980H dashcam delivers an impressive blend of clarity, safety, and reliability. Its front camera offers true 4K resolution powered by the Sony IMX415 sensor, capturing stunning details both day and night, while the 2K rear camera provides equally crisp coverage. With advanced ADAS features driven by a powerful AI NPU chip, the dashcam offers real-time alerts for pedestrians, lane departures, forward movement, and even reminds drivers to rest, making every trip safer. Its 24/7 parking mode, when paired with the dedicated hardwire kit, ensures your vehicle stays protected from theft or vandalism even when the engine is off. The wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear angles cover up to 6 lanes, and the installation is simple thanks to the included static sticker and 64GB microSD card. Built-in GPS provides accurate speed and route tracking, while WDR technology enhances video quality in challenging lighting conditions. With a durable supercapacitor for heat resistance and stable performance, the G980H stands out as a dependable, feature-rich dashcam for everyday drivers. Our third product is Teransui Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. The Teransui Dual 4K dashcam stands out with its exceptional front and rear 4K Ultra HD recording, delivering crystal-clear footage from both directions. The 170 degrees wide-angle front lens covers up to 6 lanes, ensuring you capture every critical road detail. With a pre-installed 128GB memory card, loop recording, and a responsive G sensor, the system provides reliable, uninterrupted recording while automatically securing important collision footage. Night performance is excellent thanks to Super Starlight technology, WDR, and large f1.5/f1.8 apertures, offering bright, detailed videos even in low-light conditions. The dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring and managing videos through the Teransui app incredibly fast, while built-in GPS accurately logs speed, route, and location for added evidence when needed. Its 24-hour parking monitoring using time-lapse mode and impact detection helps protect your vehicle around the clock. Hardwire kit required. Simple installation, an 18-month warranty, and 24/7 customer support make this dashcam a dependable choice for drivers seeking clarity, security, and ease of use. Now number 4, Viofo Voice Control Car Dash Camera. The A229 Plus is a standout dual-channel dash cam, introducing dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors for both front and rear cameras. This cutting-edge setup delivers 2.5 times better dynamic range and low-light sensitivity than previous Starvis models, ensuring clearer night footage with reduced noise and motion blur. With dual-channel HDR, the camera captures accurate 2K details even in fast-moving scenes, making license plates and road features easy to identify. Both cameras record in sharp 1440p, and the front lens supports up to 60 frames per second for ultra-smooth, highly detailed footage. Hands-free voice control adds convenience, allowing you to lock videos, take photos, or switch views safely while driving. The advanced quad-mode GPS provides precise speed, time, and route information using 4 global satellite systems. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes video previewing and downloading seamless through the Viofo app, while the 24/7 parking modes, event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate offer reliable protection when the vehicle is off. With a cleaner interface and flexible installation, the A229 Plus is a powerful, modern dashcam built for drivers who want premium clarity and security. And our last choice is 70mm dual dashcam front and rear. The 70mm 4K 60fps dashcam delivers exceptional clarity, capturing ultra-detailed 3840x2160p footage with smooth 60fps recording. Fast-moving scenes remain crisp, while My Color Vivid Plus and ROI technology enhance color accuracy and license plate visibility. The 146 degrees wide-angle lens covers up to 8 lanes, and its 340 degrees rotation provides nearly complete 360 degrees coverage, ideal for reducing blind spots day or night. With optional 4G LTE connectivity, hardwire kit required, you can remotely access live footage, track your vehicle, and receive real-time alerts through the 70My app. Time-lapse recording compresses 24 hours into just 2 minutes, ensuring efficient storage. The Starvis 2 sensor captures 88% more light for superior nighttime clarity, supported by Lumi Vision and Night Owl Vision for vivid, low-noise nighttime footage. Wi-Fi 6 provides fast 20 megabytes per second video transfers, while built-in GPS ensures accurate speed and route tracking. AI Motion Detection 2.0, ADAS alerts, emergency video locking, and hands-free voice control all enhance safety and convenience. With a durable supercapacitor built to withstand extreme temperatures, this dashcam offers premium performance, reliability, and full-round protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.